Whoa! Yikes!
Say hello to my little friend.
Persistent little guy, isn't he? Fire in the hole! Yoo-hoo! Missed me again!
Oh, I didn't want to have to do this. You'll thank me one day.
Hey, Cupid Bear, I'll make it easy for ya. You couldn't hit a... Uh-oh.
Latest model, Heat Seeker.
Shh! I'm hiding from the missile. The missile! Yikes! Wow! Ted, you're it!
Why, hello there. I want to be your Valentine.
Huh? What happened to Woody?
Forget the woodpecker. He doesn't deserve you. Let's get married right now.
I just remembered. I forgot to pay my taxes.
Come back, love of my life.
Happy Valentine's Day, folks. And remember, if you spot a flying panda... Hey, wait a second, you wing weirdo. Winnie's my girl. I want to be committed. I changed my mind. I want to be committed. Commit me. Commit me. She's here, right on time. Why, hello there, Winnie. Come on in, the water's fine.
Why, thank you. So, what did you plan for our big date?
More like, what didn't I plan? First, we'll start with a bite to eat. Entrez-vous.
Ooh!
Followed by a little dancing. Then we'll cap our day with a little quiet time.
Oh, Woody, that all sounds wonderful. Ooh, such a gentleman. But first, I need to freshen up.
Yeah! Woohoo! What? No!
What was that?
Nothing. Let's eat.
Did you hear that?
Nervous habit.
There it is again.
I ate a lot of sugar this morning.
There's definitely someone at the doorway.
I'm sure it's just the wind.
Why are you being so... Chilly Willy? Oh my, you must be freezing.
He's a penguin. Penguins love the cold.
Did you get caught in the storm? Poor baby.
Ooh.
I bet you're hungry.
Hey, that's my seat.
Will you grab another plate, Woody, please?
Oh, it's supposed to be we time, not three time. Give him a plate. He's so small, and where did the food go?
Oh, don't be rude, Woody. Chili's our guest.
Here you go. Ooh. Didn't I tell you Brazil is the best, Winnie? And just the two of us. And your mom says I'm not romantic.
Oh, it's beautiful. Come on, let's get a picture together. Extend the arm. Don't block the mountain. A little more. More. A little to the left. Higher. Perfect. nice to get some us time. Just you, me, and romantic Rio de Janeiro.
Olá, meus amigos!
Hey! Winnie, meet my newest amigo, Luis, the best tour guide in all of South America. I invited him to join us all weekend. Isn't that great?
Define great. You know what they say, sweetie. Two's company.
E três a festa!
Oh, yeah! Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
It is lovely to meet you, minha querida.
What?
Ooh,
Hey now.
relax. Luis is just being polite.
Won't you let me show you my beautiful city?
Ooh, see. Oh, Luis, you're so funny. I do declare, your tropical sun has me simply parched.
Fear not, minha querida. Luis will secure for you a refreshing coconut beverage.
And nuts to that, I'll cut out the middleman. Mission accomplished. Missed me. Oh,
Obrigada, Luis. Did I pronounce that right?
Like a local.
Woody, you know what day it is, right?
International Flaming Corn on the Cob Hat Day?
No.
Is it paint a wrestling mask on your face day?
No, but that is a good look for you. You really don't know what day it is, huh?
Come on, what day is it? Stupid brain? Huh? Oh boy, I love birthdays. Oh wait, I'm thinking things. Aha, it must be her birthday. But I don't have a present for her. Wait a minute. What's Buzz got that I don't got?
Whoa!
Winnie wants the gift of chiseled muscle eye candy. Ooh.
I wonder where Woody is.
Winnie!
Huh?
Oh, Winnie! Come and check out my swole shoulders. And check out these massive high-caliber guns. Winnie? Winnie?
I'm down here, Woody. What have you been doing? Even your toes have muscles.
Oh well. Back to being on model. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Whoops, wrong decade.
Woody, let me just tell you what day it is.
I know what day it is. Whoa! I bet you'd like a plane ride. Welcome to Air Woodpecker. This is Captain Woody speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts and make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Thank you.
Woody, are you sure you know how to fly this thing? Woody?
Yeah, of course. It's easy. All you have to do is, Oh, wait. Here we go.
Woody, look out for the ducks! Woody, look out! Mountain!
That is it! I'm moving back to Florida!
Look out for those trees! Woody! Tree!
go. Oh boy, my very own sweet suite with hot tub.
A complimentary room service.
Today's my lucky day. He left without asking for a tip. Free juice. Free soup. Pizza. Bologna bit sandwiches. Hey, what's going on here? Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be experiencing some turbulence. Please put on your life vests.
Life vests? Thank you. Wow! Watch it over. Rub-a-dub-dub, the spies in the tub.
Oh, that does it. One's company, two's a clod. That could be my red-headed contact.
Red-headed contact, huh? I wasn't always a brunette, you know.
There she goes.
Looking for me?
You look, different up close.
It's the lights.
Psst. Wait a minute. You're the spy who's after the case.
Yeah, and you ain't getting away without a dance, sailor. Hope you don't mind if I cut in.
Oh, but I do. Hurry, come with me.
Yeah, right. Fun time's over. Give me the case, boy brain.
Do as he says. I'm supposed to give it to you. It's not worth it. Give him the case.
So long, suckers.
He's getting away. Don't worry. I've had the real case all along. You mean I was carrying a decoy? Well, not exactly a decoy. This could be the start of a beautiful partnership.